In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Strava without a subscription. If you've ever wondered whether you can enjoy Strava without paying, the answer is yes. Strava has a solid free version that covers the essentials for tracking your workouts and staying connected with friends and clubs. You can record runs, rides, walks, hikes, and general workouts, and the app will capture your GPS distance, pace, and time so you can see how each session went at a glance. With a free account, you can also upload activities from many smartwatches, follow friends, give kudos to cheer them on, join clubs, and take part in community challenges, and view your basic stats and activity history to keep an eye on your progress. If you like sharing your journey, Strava lets you post photos and short updates alongside your activities. And for extra peace of mind when you're out, you can use beacon safety sharing on the mobile app to let a trusted contact see your live location during an activity. Strava even confirms there is no cost to record and share your activities, so you can get started without worrying about a paywall. Here's how to use Strava without subscribing. First, download and open the Strava app, then create an account or log in if you already have one. As you move through the setup, you may see prompts to start a free trial or subscribe. Simply skip those offers. You can use the free version without entering any payment information. When you're ready to work out, tap record to track your activity. Choose the correct sport type, start your session, and let Strava do the rest. After you finish, save your activity, add a title or photo if you'd like, and share it with friends or within your clubs. From there, explore your feed to give kudos, check your basic stats and activity history, and join clubs or challenges that keep you motivated. Now, some features do require a Strava subscription. These include advanced workout analysis, full segment leaderboards, route planning and offline maps, training plans, fitness and freshness scores, personal heat maps, and more detailed pace and heart rate analysis. If you find yourself wanting deeper insights or route tools, you can always consider upgrading later, but none of these are required to record, upload, and share your activities. That's all you need to confidently use Strava for free. Set it up, skip the trial, hit record, and start moving while enjoying the community and core tracking features at no cost.